Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಠದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ಇನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. In this video I will be providing you the detailed solution for exercise 8.2 from the chapter Trigonometry of 10th standard mathematics. Now let us solve the question one by one. ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. That question number 1, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree, sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. ಇದನ್ನು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ sin 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿದು cos 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ sin 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ cos 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಐದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ the answer for this particular question. So first of all let us write the trigonometric table. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then we have sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta ಹಾಗೆ cosecant theta. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡು ವಾಚ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree is 1, cos is reverse, so it is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is sin by cos. Okay, tan theta is sin by cos, so 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3, ಹಾಗೆ tan 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, it is root 3, 1 by 0 is not defined. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈಗ cot, that is the reciprocal of tan, or you have to just reverse this. Okay, so tan 0 is not defined, 30 is root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 degree is 1 by root 3 and cot 90 degree is 0. Next we have to write for secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, 1 by 1 is 1, root 3 by 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, secant 45 is root 2, secant 60 degree is 2, then secant 90 degree is not defined. For cosec you have to just reverse this. Okay, cosec theta, cosec 0 is not defined, 30 is 2, 45 is root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. So as simple as that, easily you can write the trigonometric table. Now based on this table, we have to solve a few questions. So now by looking into this table, you have to substitute the values. Okay, I will just modify this so that I can put line without any confusions. We can substitute the values. Okay, so sine 0 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And we have written this for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we have written the trigonometric table. Now just we need to substitute these values and we have to simplify. Okay, our table is ready. Now let us substitute. Okay, sine 60 degree, look into the table, or if you have memorized. Okay, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So here we have root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, so we have root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 square by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So here you can see square root and square gets cancelled. So we have 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here denominators are same iruva karana, you can just add the numerators and you will get 4 by 4. They both get cancelled and our answer is 1. Okay. So the value of sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree is 1. Okay. Ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ first question ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we have second question. You have to evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree ಅನ್ನು evaluate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. From the trigonometric table we have 2 into tan 45 is 1. Since we have tan square 45, ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan square 45 ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ 1 square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree ಅಂದರೆ root 3 by 2. Cos square ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ you should write square of this minus sin square 60. Sin 60 ಅಂದರೆ root 3 by 2. Square ಅಂದರೆ root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Let us simplify. 2 into 1 square is 2 into 1 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 3 square by 2 square. Root 3 square ಅಂದರೆ square and square root gets cancelled. So we have 3 by 2 square ಅಂದರೆ 4. Okay. Minus square and square root gets cancelled. So root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. So now you can see plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4 ಮತ್ತೆ minus 3 by 4 cancel ಆಯಿತು. 2 into 1 is 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree of value is 2. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. cos 45 degree upon secant 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Secant 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So ಈಗ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವ. cos 45 degree. So you can see from the table cos 45 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 2 divide by secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ numerator we have 1 by root 2 and denominator we have 2 by root 3 plus 2. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ in the denominator we have root 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3, so 2 into 1 is 2 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ 1 into root 3 is root 3, so 2 root 3. So this is 2 root 3. Now ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ we have 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. You have 1 into root 3, that is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So we have root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ root 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3. So this is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, you have root 2 into root 3. So this can be written as root of 2 into 3, which is nothing but root 6. So ಇದನ್ನು root 6 ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. So this here is 2 root 6. Okay, 2 root 6. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು rationalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what we shall do, for both numerator and denominator we will multiply by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, so we have root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, we are rationalizing. Okay, so rationalizing the denominator. So ಇದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So now we are going to rationalize. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 root 3 into root 2 is 6 minus 2 root 6 into root 3 is root 18 divide by denominator you can see a plus b into a minus b. So you know the identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Algebraic identity ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a square ಅಂದರೆ 2 root 2 whole square minus b square ಅಂದರೆ 2 root 6 whole square. Let us simplify. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. So we have 2 into root 6 minus root 18. And in the denominator you have 2 square 4. Root 2 into square gets cancelled. So you have 2 minus 2 square 4 into square root and square get cancelled into 6. Okay. So now here we have 2 root 6 minus root 18 divided by 4 2s are 8 minus 6 into 4 is 24. So this is equal to 2 square root of 6 minus root 18 divided by 24 minus 8. Okay, I mean plus 8 minus 24 minus 16. So you have 2 ones are 2 8s are. So our answer is, here we have a minus sign. Okay, so we have minus square root 6 minus root 18 divided by 8. To make it positive, what shall I do is I will multiply this minus 1 inside. Okay. So this minus root 18 becomes plus root 18 and this plus root 6 becomes minus root 6. So root 18 minus root 6 divided by 8 is the answer for question number 3. So what you have to do, just trigonometric tables in the values and substitute madidre aglilla. Illi, since our denominator is an irrational number, you have to rationalize it. Okay. Rationalization process anna ನೀವು ಈಗ already ಹಿಂದಿನ classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So directly I have done it. Okay. So when your denominator is an irrational number, you have to rationalize the denominator and you have to get the final answer. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ question number 3 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now let us proceed further and solve question number 4. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree minus cosec 60 degree upon sec 30 degree, secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. ಈಗ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ. sin 30 degree means 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 upon secant 30 degree. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is 1. So now let us take the LCM and we will simplify. So in numerator, LCM is 2 root 3. Okay. 2 root 3 is the LCM. Then we have root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. Divide by, in the numerator also we have LCM 2 root 3. So then we have 2 into 2, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So here you see, numerator allu we have 2 root 3 in the denominator, and in denominator also we have 2 root 3. They get cancelled. So then we have root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 andre 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 divide by illi root 3 plus 2 root 3 andre 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay. So now what we have is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. So ಈಗ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, where we have a irrational number in the denominator. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ irrational number ಇದೆ. So what we have to do is we have to rationalize. So now let us rationalize. We have to multiply by 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4. So algebraic identity ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. a plus b into a minus b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a square minus b square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you have a minus b into a minus b. So we have a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವ. In the numerator we have 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Denominator we have a square minus b square. a square andre 3 root 3 whole square minus b square andre 4 square. Now we have to simplify. So in the numerator, let us use the identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square andre 3 root 3 whole square plus b square andre 4 square minus 2 into a andre 3 root 3, b andre 4. Okay, divide by, here it is 3 square 9 into square root and square gets cancelled into 3 minus 4 square is 16. So simplifying, 3 square is 9, 9 into 3, 27. I hope it is clear. Square root and square gets cancelled, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. 3 square ಅಂದರೆ 9, 9 into 3 is 27 plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4 is 24 into root 3, divide by 9 3s are 27 minus 16. Okay, so this is equal to 27 plus 16, 43 minus 24 root 3, divide by, in the denominator we have 27 minus 16. Okay, 27 minus 16 is 11. So this is the answer for your question number 4. 43 minus 24 root 3 divide by 11. Okay, so here also what we have done is, in the denominator we have an irrational number, so we have rationalized the denominator. Okay, denominator nalli irrational number iddaga rationalization ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ important, otherwise you will lose your marks in your examination. Okay, so this is how you can solve this. Let's proceed further. Question number 5 and the last sub question from question number 1. Okay, so we have 5 cos square 60, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 degree, 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So let us substitute the values directly from the trigonometric table to evaluate this. 5 into cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Since we have cos square, you have to square this. Plus 4 into secant square 30 degree. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Since you have secant square, 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 degree is 1, tan square 45 degree is 1 square upon sin square 30 degree is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. So now we have to simplify. So illi 5 into 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. Divide by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 square root and square gets cancelled. So we have 3 by 2 square is 4. Okay, so let us simplify. In the numerator we have 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 and illi denominators are same. Okay, so LCM andre adu 4 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled with one another, andre denominator alli 1 ide. Just we have to simplify the numerator. Numerator part anna simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. So 5 into 3 is 15. 3 4s are 12. So 16 4s are 64 1 into 12 is 12, so minus 12. So unit 2, simplify. 15 minus 12 is 3, 64 plus 3 is 67. Denominator you have 12. So the answer here is 67 by 12. Illi answer for question number 5 is 67 by 12. So this is how you can solve question number 1 from the exercise 8.2 of the chapter trigonometry. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 8.2 ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I hope you have understood how to solve these questions. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.